Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Sign in with an administrator account so you can remove system files and free space. Open Start, type Disk Cleanup, then right-click and Run as administrator. This gives you options others don't. Choose the system drive, usually C, and click OK to let Windows scan. The scan identifies temporary files, recycle bin items, and update leftovers. Knowing what it finds helps you decide what to delete and why it's safe to remove those items. Once the basic scan finishes, click Clean Up System Files to reveal Windows Update Cleanup, old drivers, and system logs. You want these to reclaim large blocks of space. Check boxes for temporary files, thumbnails, and recycle bin, but make sure you understand each choice. For example, deleting Windows Update files prevents rollback. Next, open more options for program removal or to delete all but the most recent restore point. These steps free the most space and tidy system clutter. Confirm the items you selected and click OK, then choose Delete Files to begin cleanup. This removes files immediately. After cleanup, restart Windows so pending system changes complete and temporary entries clear. Make sure to check free space in File Explorer. If you don't see expected space reclaimed, run Storage Sense for automatic cleanup or inspect large folders with settings storage to find hidden files. If cleanup fails, run SFC and DISM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.